see what's going on. More than likely, hold your head back. More than likely, all that's going to happen is the string is going to break. Here. Bite. Bite on that. It's going to stop the bleeding. Let me have this. You wash your hands. I stopped when you said ow, baby. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Let on my new blankets. Stop, honey. Come here. It's all over my new blankets. That's not funny. Now, did it hurt or did it just scare you?
It hurt.
Now bite.
Finally, I can eat corn.
Finally, you can eat corn.
But it might look weird.
Show Ryan and Shelly what it looks like that's gone.